All right, let's take a look at the last thing I want to talk about tonight, which is the color chooser. What we have here is a version of the drawing pad that provides for us to pick the color of the ink that we're going to be drawing with. The way the color chooser works is it provides us a dialog box that looks something like this. We've got a couple of different versions, a couple of different ways that we can pick our color that we want. At any rate, it will figure things out and return it to the application as a color object. Let's take a look and see how this works. To create that dialog box and display it, we first need to, let me come down here to the events. We first need to create the J color chooser object, and I'm trying to see where we have done that. Where did I put that? Where did I define drawing color? Right here. First I create a color object called drawing color, and I set it to one of the color constants, black, and we do that in the first line. We do that because we want an initial color. When we call the dialog box, we have to let it know what color we want selected by default. When we call it, the color chooser show dialog method is a static method. We don't have to create an object for it. So we call jcolorchooser.showDialog. First of all, we provide the owner of the window. So who owns this dialog box? In this case, we're using this because it's our memo pad. We then provided a title to display at the top of the window. In this case, we're saying select a drawing color. Finally, we provide the default color. What color do we want to start with? What results is a color object that can then be used by calling the setColor method for drawing, and we've seen that before a little earlier this evening. We then call the setColor method, and we can use that color object that we created earlier. This is a fairly simple process. Again, you'll notice that this is our drawing pad application, and I'll go over the changes that we've made here, including the addition of the menu, the methods around handling the events, displaying that color chooser, and then of course drawing. If you have any questions about this, of course, feel free to email me. You can click the next button to work on exercise 10. Again, this is exercise 10, where you will be creating this application. And when you're finished, you can go to the final slide where we'll take a look at it.